Plans, permits, variations, progress photos. A build generates a mountain of files, and the worst place for them is scattered across phones and inboxes. Keep them on the project. Open Docs. Uploading is drag and drop. Permits, engineering, certificates, signed paperwork. Click Upload, pick the file, and it's stored on the job, where your whole team and your client portal can reach it. Now the one that saves real mistakes on site. Your drawings. Under Docs there's Plans. Upload the ground floor plan, give it a name, and it's live as version 1, the drawing everyone on the job works from. 3 weeks later, the architect moves the island and adds a window. Rev B lands in your inbox. Don't file it next to the old one. Upload it as a new version of the same plan. The card ticks over to version 2, and the old drawing is superseded, kept in the history, but nobody can accidentally build off it. One plan, one truth, always the latest. Photos get their own space. Drag in your site shots, and they're stored against the job with a date. Your visual record of the build. A few progress photos. Every visit is the best protection you've got if a question ever comes up about what was done and when. Need the big view? Under projects, you've also got documents and media across every job at once. Capture it once. Find it forever. No more. Can you send me that plan again? Next up, taking all of this to site in your pocket.